Step 1. Wrap the hose with tape at the cutoff so that the braid does not flare, then cut the hose square. Step 2. Before removing the tape, slide both sockets onto the hose back to back. Step 3. Insert the sleeve between the tube and the wire by hand, using a flat surface to finish the installation. The tube should butt up against the inside shoulder on the sleeve. Step 4. Mount the insert hex in a vise and push the hose end over the stem in a twisting motion until seated against the insert shoulder. Then hand start the socket onto the insert thread. Step 5. Mount the socket in a vise and wrench tighten the insert until it's within 1/32 of an inch or less of the socket hex. Tighten further until the hex of the insert and the socket are aligned, but do not bottom out the threads. Step 6. Cap your hose assembly to maintain cleanliness.